Hey everyone, it's Marissa and I'm back with another video. Today I wanted to quickly share with you this paper card kit that I purchased a few hauls ago from scrapbook.com. It is by the company Photoplay, and this line is called Confetti. And what it is it's a kit. As you can see, it's a birthday kit, and it has a whole bunch of items to make the card. And you guys saw my previous video that I did with the other card kit, and that was a Valentine's one. This one is a birthday one. And this also has a step-by-step written instructions. It's kind of different, but basically that's what all the cards look like. And I wanted to come up, because I know my daughter has a bunch of birthday of her friends coming up, so I thought, you know what, I'm running low on some birthday cards and I don't have time to make any handmade cards, so I thought this was perfect. When I saw this, I had to get it. So I'm going to go over some of the cards, just, you know, if you guys are interested. Again, I got this from scrapbook.com, and this one is different because it has you using a lot of like twine. So I just had what was near, which was some embroidery thread, so that's what I use. And basically it gives you the background. There's 2 tags in here, and it has like I said, I put some embroidery thread, and then all of the cards are inside are plain, so it doesn't come with any sentiments or anything. It's just basically on the outside. So there's one card, and I thought this one was super cute. And it even tells you to make, you can put it on pop dots to make it more dimensional, but a lot of these I just used regular tape. I didn't make this dimensional. So there's that one, and then there's this one. So again, it does have like written instructions, which paper goes with which font, or not font, but what do you call this? Which cardstock goes with each die shapes, if that makes sense. So there's the card base, there's the paper background, and then there's the cardstock die cut shapes, basically, in here. So the birthday, the happy is different pieces. This star is a different piece, and then this here, the background is a different piece, and then like the scallop is a different piece to this card. So you basically just cut them up, or some of them, what I did was I cut some of the paper down just so that you can have the white backing, the card showing. That's, for me personally, that's what I like to do. So it gives it more dimensional instead of just having like the background paper and that's it. So there's that one, and then there's this one. There's a whole bunch. So you have the cardstock, the background, happy birthday, the circle, and then you have the cupcake, which are 2 different pieces. And then you have this part right here, and then the border here is another piece. So there's that one, and then there's this one. And this one has, I use this here, and these right here are all different cutouts of stars, and they have like so many different sizes. I didn't know which one to use, so I just like kind of winged it, looked at the picture, because it didn't get really specific with stars, so I just got whatever star that was in the kit, and there was other stars left over, so, and I just put them all together. There's that one, and this one's my favorite right here. So, I mean, there's a whole bunch of different elements to the card. Like I said, you can put it on pop dots to have it dimensional. It does say that on some of them, but I just didn't do it. I just kept it simple, and you can actually mail these and not have to pay extra for it being so thick. So, yeah. So this was my very quick card share from this kit that I wanted to share with you guys. So yeah, go check them out. Again, it's on scrapbook.com, and Hope everybody has a wonderful day, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye for now, and thanks for watching.